Imagine the following scenario. You're working on a data project in Snowflake, and you encounter a problem when trying to dump a Snowflake table to Parquet. You manage to save the Parquet file successfully, but encounter errors when attempting to read it using tools like Pandas or Piero. The error message indicates a formatting issue, leaving you stuck and scratching your head at the unexpected hurdle. The solution lies in a different approach to reading the Parquet file within Snowflake. By utilizing the alternative API provided, specifically the code snippet pandas.read_parquet, snowpark_session.file.get_stream, file_name, you can bypass the formatting error and successfully access the data from the Parquet file without any hiccups. This method ensures a seamless reading process, eliminating the frustration caused by the initial error and allowing you to continue working on your data analysis smoothly. To wrap it up, by making use of the recommended API call, you can easily overcome the formatting error that occurs when reading a Parquet file from a Snowflake table. This simple solution streamlines your data processing workflow, ensuring a hassle-free experience. So, next time you encounter a similar issue, remember to take this approach and save yourself some time and headaches. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any other tech conundrums you'd like to see solved.